When selling a business, a major decision is assets versus shares. Determining the comprehensive taxes to compare the net after tax proceeds can be a complex exercise, but there are routinely material differences, especially when considering tax elements such as the capital gains deduction, capital dividends, and RDTOH accounts. TTI's Salary versus Dividend 2-8 worksheet shows your client the after-tax cash results of selling assets and then distributing the proceeds as salary and/or dividends, the results of selling shares, or a hybrid transaction. On the T2 tab, you can specify the province and year-end of the corporation along with any relevant opening balances such as GRIP, CDA, or RDTOH. The details of assets or shares disposed are entered on the Corporate Transaction tab. For assets, include the relevant proceeds and ACB of the capital assets to be sold. If the taxpayer is looking to sell other assets of the corporation, those and any payment of liabilities can be entered in the Disposition of Corporate Assets section. For shares, you'll specify the type of eligible asset, such as qualified small business shares, and the relevant proceeds and ACB. We would only complete both sections for a hybrid transaction, otherwise, we will complete the asset sale first, followed by the share sale. We'll continue with an asset sale by resetting the shares section. You can then enter the individual taxpayer's base income on the T1 Base tab so that all results are determined at the taxpayer's precise marginal rates. This tab also supports changes to the capital gains deduction limit and other considerations. On the Remuneration 8 tab, click the Optimize Amounts Between Two Taxpayers button to determine the dividend distribution results after selling the assets. You have the flexibility to change the remuneration scenarios, override any amounts for unique circumstances, or reset payments. To save a particular scenario, the Save Results to New tab button at the top of the worksheet will create static copies of the Remuneration 8 and Corporate Transaction tabs for comparison. To see supporting details, click the links to jump to the relevant sections with clear information for both the corporate and personal cash outcomes. We can also jump to the remuneration charts, which shows the cash changes to the individual, the corporation, and the differences between them. If you have any questions about using these features, please email us at support@taxtemplates.ca.